All right, so here we have this mini drone. Got it out of this box, and it comes in this awesome carry case. It's pretty sturdy, has a nice handle, metal zipper. Just opening it up here. Inside we have a few components. We have the drone itself, the phone holder, so you can mount your phone on the controller. Speaking of that, this is the controller. And then we also have spare blades, chargers, and then the blade changing tool, as well as the user guide. So here is the controller. Requires 3 AAA batteries. Pretty simple, easy to find, easy to use. Nice controller. And then I think comes with 2 batteries. So one of them having the drone here, and then it has a spare, so that's nice. You get a lot more fly time. As you can see, the case itself is all really nicely padded with this little carry compartment. It's just all in all a great case. It's really slim. You can throw it in a backpack or your car or anything really easily. Now as for the drone, as you can see, it's really compact. It's a mini drone. It's about smaller than the palm of my hand, so it's really nice. You can take it anywhere. And then the blades are cool. How the wings fold out. They just pop out like so, and they fit really neatly. It's a very powerful drone. On the front here, we have the camera, which you can adjust, up or down as needed. So that's the drone. Got it out of its box and everything. Let's go take it out into the field and see how she flies.